Good morning, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, learners that are here today. Thank you very much for gracing us with your presence. My name is Maximus Magwaza, and I will be your program director for today.
My journey with Phumelela have been amazing because I think if I haven't met them, I wouldn't have known that you can transform a digital object into a physical. So they have taught me a lot.
This company is good, man. It's opening doors for us, It's opening doors for people who are not who don't have much information about IoT and 3D printing and other things,
I'm a lecturer at TUT, also involved with our projects at MICT SETA. So we do development for the SETA. We've created their learner management system, and we train many hundreds of students through MICT SETA. And so today I really saw the quality of what they do, and they go above and beyond what is required of a training provider. So I was just speaking to Gift, told him, you need to keep doing this for as long as you can, because it's so vital and it's so beneficial. And we really need this investment in the youth in the country, and they're doing a fantastic job.
My experience with the 3D printing program was very exciting because as a person who has a programming or a little of IT experience, for me it was an adventure because I was able to learn more and explore through the Cisco network, Phumelela itself, and also being able to learn more about 3D.
I would definitely recommend Phumelela. They do the best to deliver their lessons. Yeah. So the experience is quite nice there. I'm sure if somebody wanted to learn, they would learn a lot from Phumelela Consulting.
It's been a great pleasure to be part of this prestigious event, awarding our students for all their hard work, their dedication. And again, it's a pleasure again to be part of this session in that I am seeing the wonderful work that is being done by MICT SETA and Phumelela. And thank you very much for knocking at the right door and for giving our students the right skills that will empower them and to assist them in order to start their own small businesses.
Thank you, Phumelela.
I thank Phumelela for this.
I'd like to tell Phumelela Consulting to keep going, keep teaching, and reach more people out there. There's a lot of people who need this kind of skills.